My Nissan Leaf doesn't have a strut cap? I once noticed it completely by accident when I decided to open it and just check. In the side, I found accumulated water and dirt, which, understandably, can lead to metal corrosion and a shorter service life. Water gets in here through the grills that channel water away from the windshield during rain or when washing the car. Without hesitation, I decided to fix this issue and got to work. Of course, there isn't much work involved, but it's still nicer to know that the issue in this area has been taken care of. First, I removed the accumulated water and all the dirt. Then I sprayed everything with a silicone moisture repellent so that the moisture on the nuts and threads would evaporate faster and the metal would be coated with a thin silicone layer. After 15 minutes, I wiped off all the excess and let it dry completely. To speed up the process, you can use any warm air hair dryer. I just left it longer so it would dry naturally. Once fully dry, I decided to lubricate the threaded connections and the shock absorber nut with the thick grease I had on hand. Of course, after spraying and wiping, using additional grease wouldn't be strictly necessary since I plan to protect it with a special cap that will prevent water, dust, and other dirt from getting in the future. Now that everything is fully prepared, we can move on to the final stage of this minor repair, installing the protective caps. The protective caps are made of durable, waterproof rubber that prevents water from getting in. They have special protrusions on opposite sides that lock them in place when installed, preventing them from coming off due to car vibrations. To install the cap, you simply need to press it firmly and it will lock into place. This not only creates a neat appearance, but also provides practical functionality. We do exactly the same on the other side of the car. And here we also get the same neat and practical result. And finally, here are a few photos showing the before and after of our work. Finally, we install the decorative plastic grills on both sides of the car and enjoy the results. If you also need these protective caps, you can find the purchase links at the bottom of the video. If you enjoyed this video, please hit like and share it with your friends. Thank you for being with us.